Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys my empty house tour, so go ahead, let's get started. Come on guys, come on in. Alright, so this is the front. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show. So this is the front. Don't mind all the luggages, but this is the house. Korra, say hi. Hi. So this is the front when you walk in. We ended up getting vinyl floors, which we absolutely love. We had like different choices, but we ended up going with this one specifically, and we love it. And no, this is not the same shirt from my previous video. I do have different navy blue shirts. So this is the entrance to the kitchen as well as the living room, and then I'll just show you guys that after. But first we're gonna go into this area, and don't mind the mess. The kids were in here and they were playing. This is the guest bedroom. This is like the extra room on the floor downstairs. And as you guys can see, we ended up going with this cream colored carpet. And then, okay, go ahead. So this is how the room looks. We love it. It has a window and it also has a closet here. And we really love this closet. What we're not used to is these. I know every new house comes with this. This house is brand new construction. So it actually comes with this. I was kind of like, wait, what is this? But I didn't know like you can just, you know, put your own to cover this. But I had no idea it just came with this like wooden, you know, clothes hanger, I guess, the bar. I had no idea it came with this where you can see like the actual splinters. I was like, oh my gosh, we could get splinters from this. But every house has this, I guess, new construction. They end up just having this. I'm so used to it being covered, painted, you know, having the covers on it, but I had no idea. So first time homeowners. And there's Korra. Korra, say hi. She over there playing dinosaurs. We are gonna have maybe this room as like the guest room or my husband's gaming room. And the next one we have here is the bathroom. It has the walk-in shower, and we absolutely love this part. And you know, toilet basic. And then you have the sinks. We actually love the sink, how the countertops look and how it came out. It's really nice. It looks white here, but it's actually an off-white, and this is the like really white cabinets because we actually chose this. We had like 3 different selections. It was either brown, gray, or white, and we went with white. And dinosaur. Hi, thank you. Ooh, rawr. Okay, come on, Korra. We're gonna show them the living room. Come on. Let's go show them the living room. And hold up, that's a spider. Look at that spider. Whoa. Spider in a new house. That should be good luck, huh? I don't want to kill it though. Oh my gosh, I don't want to kill it. Alright guys, I had to get a cup. But normally I'm not brave like this. But I don't want to kill no spiders because I just feel like spiders, they are alive too. I just don't want to kill it. But look, I caught the spider in a cup, guys. I did call pest control to come in today, and they're coming in today. So brand new construction, you know, you're gonna have insects because you're just gonna have it. Look at that spider, it's so big. Ah, look at the kids, they're like, what spider? What are we gonna do to the spider, guys? We're gonna take it outside, okay? We're gonna take the spider outside. Uh-oh, it's moving, look. See, he's climbing the cup, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cup. Let's put the spider outside. I couldn't film it because it's just me, and I don't want to put my camera down where like the kids could touch it, but spider is safe outside. We good. Now back to the tour. So the next area we have is as soon as you walk in, we have this door here, and it's pretty much the washer and dryer area, the laundry room. We have the laundry room. I'm gonna turn on the light. We don't have our washer and dryer yet. It is gonna come when our stuff comes in, but we do have to buy a new gas dryer. I didn't know California doesn't even do electric dryers. We have to switch to a gas dryer. So yeah, that's what's going on. So we have the cabinets here, and then you guys know basic cabinets, and then we have shelves. This is what I really loved about this laundry room, is that it had the shelving like this. Gives me a lot of space to store, like, you know, the laundry detergents, towels and things like that. Is it towels you store in here? Or like, you know, basic needs you could put here. And that's what I absolutely love about this part. I thought it was very interesting when they had this, because I'm not used to this. I'm just used to having like, you know, the little holder at the top of the washer in the laundry room, and then you have like you know, the holder right on top of the washer and dryer area. That's the only thing I'm used to. I'm not used to having, you know, multiple shelving like this. So close the door. All right, so the next area we're gonna go ahead and walk right on in, and it is the living room. You guys can see Cam is just chilling. And here's the kitchen. Don't mind the counter. It's just so much junk I have to get rid of. This is where our refrigerator is going to go. Or you have the cabinet right above the refrigerator. So yeah, you have this here, which is big space. And we still have to purchase a refrigerator. The only thing is I'm debating whether I want a side-by-side refrigerator or a 3-door refrigerator. So you have like the refrigerator and then you have the freezer on the bottom drawer. I'm debating on whether I should do that. I'm so used to the side-by-side. When you pass the fridge, you're gonna go this way. And this is a cute sign that our realtor got us. It's so cute. I just really like it. Really love it. Look at that. It's so cute. So this is the pantry area. So this, it's not too big, but it's big enough for me and our family, which I really like about it. Nothing too huge. But yeah, so here it is. And then they have this extra carpet here, but I'm gonna take that out later, but that's what's inside. And then you have the kitchen counters. We ended up going with granite, granite, whatever you call it, granite. And then we use you guys can see the white cabinets. And then we have all this, microwave, stove, oven, and all of that. This is our sink. I really like the sink. I'm so used to like the two. I like how this is just one deep sink. That's another thing that I liked about this house was the sink. Like I said, I'm always used to that divider that's in between the sink for like the drying and the, you know, soaking and all that good stuff. But I like that it's just one big deep sink because I could just put all my dishes here and then just wash. And I just really love it. So then you have the dishwasher and then you have the island here. And then here is our living room. As you can see, Kamden's cleaning already. But here is our living room. And then as soon as you walk to your left, we have the sliding door. And then we have this huge backyard. And I just love our backyard. The only thing is, like, it's so huge. We had no idea it was gonna be this big. But it ended up being, I feel like this is the biggest yard in the block. But yeah, our yard is pretty big. Okay, I'm gonna come upstairs. I'm almost done. And then here, you guys, is the garage. I can open it for you guys. Here is the garage. Oh, what's going on? My car, and that's our garage. And then here we have storage. Sorry guys, I have my trash like on here. But as you guys can see, this is just the storage closet, like the walk-in. Or like, you know, and I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. This trash is like getting full, so I'm just gonna get it off before we break the handle. Okay, so we also got our AC, and then we just got this installed, the ADT alarm system. Let's go upstairs. And turn off the light. Oh, this is not the light. This must be the light. There we go. Korra, come on. Stairs, stairs, stairs. And we like how the railing is white. It was supposed to be brown, but we love like it came with white. So we up the stairs. The first thing we're gonna go to is going down this hall. We're gonna go down this hall, and this is the kids' play area. Right now it's our sleeping area. We like how this is going to be the kids' play area, and we're gonna like put the TV up right there, and then a couch, and you know, where the kids can play and keep busy here. Then going back down the hall, right when you get the stairs, this is the master bedroom. We actually have a private school in the back of our yard, and which is pretty cool. It's a baseball field, so my husband's kind of concerned with the baseballs, you know, coming over, but hopefully it does not do that because we do have a brick wall that's high. Hopefully it's not where, like, you know, we get hit or whatever. So going down the hall, we have 2 closets here, which is really nice. I think, oh, we have a light here. One closet is pretty much the same size, just like this closet. So, which is really good because one would be for my husband's clothes and then one closet is for me. And then here we have the bathroom. The bathroom does have like a little window right there. A little window, which is nice. And then here we have the double sinks, like white cabinets. And we also really liked this. This is for like the hand towels and stuff like that. And then we also liked how the toilet paper roll also had that, you know, I'm so used to the other kind where you just take the toilet paper roll handle out and then you just put in the toilet paper. I'm so used to that. We have the walk-in shower with like the seating bench here. And yeah, I just really like how we have that. I'm so used to bathtubs, but I just really like that we have a walk-in shower like this. I normally just take showers. I never take like baths. So having this walk-in shower is a plus because this is what all I do is just take showers. I never usually like soak in the bathtub or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the baseball field. As you guys can see, you guys can see how big our yard is compared to like the other people's yards. So that's our yard. It's crazy. And then we have our neighbor's yard over there. Here, I show Korra first. And then you have the baseball field. You guys see that view? It's like pretty cool.
And about me.
Going down the hall. Don't mind these guys. We have clothes here. This is going to be potentially Kamden's room, but for now it's going to be my recording room. And it's just a big, nice, spacious area. We have the closet. So like I said, this is going to be Kamden's room in the future, but for now it's going to be my recording area. Yeah, here we have the bathroom. Don't mind the mess because we're actually using this. So I really like how deep and high it is, like how deep it is and then how high the sides are, because Korra normally she tries to get out, but this she doesn't even get out. So yeah, I really love our bathtub for the kids. The last room in the house is this room here. And this is going to be Kimira's room and Kamden's room. So they're going to be sharing until, you know, they get older. And she's super excited. That's pretty much it on this house tour. We are so very excited and grateful and humble that we are able to have this home, our first home, me and my husband's first home. So, okay, go ahead. Me and my husband's first home. So we're really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this empty house tour. It's very special to me that we are able to have this home. We are grateful. I've been manifesting this for so long and, you know, writing in my journal, and we finally made it come true. So I'm so happy that the time has come where we're able to own this home. So it's home sweet home for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye. Kamden, say bye. Say see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Be careful.